Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making chili chicken. Now to start, we're going to first go ahead and slice our chicken into thin pieces like so. I've taken chicken breasts. You can take whatever part of the chicken and make sure it is boneless. I'm going to cut them into thin pieces like so. Okay. Once I finish cutting all of them, I'll get back to you. Let's now begin with the marination of the chicken. I've gone ahead and cut them into thin slices. The first thing I'm going to add is going to be chicken seasoning. Okay, I'm using chicken seasoning. Next, I'm going to crack one egg. And mix it nicely. What I'm going to add is a small teaspoon of white pepper. And then I'm going to add about 50 grams of plain white flour. Next I'm going to add is about a teaspoon of light soy and about a teaspoon of corn flour. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay, and I'm going to continue mixing it. I've taken some oil and I'm going to now fry the chicken, which I've marinated for 10 minutes. Okay, make sure the oil is nice and hot. Okay, so once I finish frying all of them, I'll get back to you. The chicken is now slightly golden. I'm going to now take them off because I'm not going to cook the entire chicken. It's going to be 90% cooked because the remaining 10% will be cooked with the vegetables and chilies. Have a look how it is. Once I've fried all my chicken, now I'm going to start making the sauce. First I'm going to take oil. I'm using the same oil that I fried the chicken in. To this I'm going to add ginger, garlic and chili, which has been finely chopped. I'll be taking 2 teaspoons of this. To this I'm going to add the chicken. I've sauteed it for a minute or so. Next I'm going to add is green chilies and give it a nice mix. Next, what I've taken is onions and bell peppers, green bell pepper, and I've cut them into cube size. Okay. I'm gonna add this. Now let's add sauces. I'm going to add dark soy. And oyster sauce. Two tablespoons of oyster sauce. I'm going to mix all this well and let it cook. Let it saute for about a minute and then add my spring onions. There you go. My chili chicken is ready. If you like the recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also ensure that you click on the like button and share the recipe with your friends and family. Don't forget the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe that I will be posting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this dish and you will try it at home as well. Thank you. Goodbye.